the hand grab. The hand grab, it's quite an easy trick and it's often used as a transition move, but in this video I will show you the details how to master this technique. So you start with your hands like this. So usually I do it with my right hand, knuckles to the top, this one, my knuckles to the bottom. So you start like this and the Nunchaku is going in this direction. So this is the first movement to practice, just minor rotations like this. See, my hands are staying in a position very close to the rope. I'm just doing this position. That is step one. Okay, so we've done step one, which is just this movement. Now next time we're going to let go the Nunchaku. We're going to go with the fingers like this, and we're going to end up in this position like this. So the wrists are connected like that, and the rope is not possible to go away like this. So pretty much at this position you can let go earlier already because your hand is controlling the movement, but you open up your hands. So the next position is going to be just ending like that. Back to the beginning. So just trying to make this movement. Clinging the rope between your hands and both of your knuckles are facing up. This is the second step. So try to practice it a couple of times. So we've done this one a couple of times. Now we're going to let go. So their hands are almost above each other, and especially the wrists are close to each other. So that was step two. So at step three, we're going to try and get it to return. So we've done this one, we've done this, but now it's not returning yet. Now we just have the ending position with our hands facing up. So now we're going to move it back. So how are we going to do that? So with my right hand, I'm going to push it up. So you see, it's really coming from the hands. So it's on the top of here. We've done this one. See? So from here, we're just going to, with our hands open, we're not going to catch it back. We're going to try to make this movement. Our hands are still open, so just try to make it return. So you see my hand is flipping back, and this one is turning, guiding the Nunchaku parts in the right direction. So I'm not catching it, I'm just pushing it back and forth. So if we combine these two, while free, this is what we get. We haven't really catch it yet, but it's already starting to look like a movement. So practice this one a lot to get the feeling of where your hand should be and at what point in time you need to slap it back into position. So in the fourth step, we're going to try and catch it. So the third step was with our hands open and constantly flipping it back. So in the fourth step, we're actually going to grab it again. So when this one is open, it goes back. With my right hand, I'm going to grab this one again. With the left hand, I'm going to grab this one. Still close to the rope. But with the previous step, my hands were against each other. So when I flip it back, I need to let go of the left hand, right hand, make sure they're separated again. Because otherwise, well, you have a rope in between, otherwise you won't be able to do it. So, tick, tick. So you let go of the hands, and you grab it again. So try to do it slowly. And it looks really flashy when you do it fast. So it's a nice, easy transition move. So keep practicing this one and you can use it in different combos. So like I said, it's a transition move, so you can use it in a lot of combos. So for example, from here, so use this one if you want to change from side to side and in between movements to regain control again and to continue with other type of techniques. So I hope you had fun with this technique. So keep practicing the hand grab and let me know if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for future tutorials. Thank you.